Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a fundamental aspect of web development, the doctype declaration in HTML. You might have heard of it, but do you really understand its importance? Stick around as we break it down for you. So what basically is this doctype? Well, first things first, it stands for document type declaration. Okay. Document type declaration. That's what it stands for. See, it's an essential part of an HTML document and it helps browsers understand how to interpret and render your web page. So why is this doctype important? You might wonder, why is it so crucial? Well, without a proper doctype, browsers might get into quirks mode where they try to interpret your HTML in different ways. This can lead to inconsistent rendering and compatibility issues across browsers. So there are various doctypes depending on the HTML version that you are using, right? Presently we are using HTML5, but depending upon the HTML version that you use, there could be multiple doctypes. So HTML5, what was the speciality here is that it introduced a simplified and a standardized doctype declaration, making it easier for developers to ensure consistent rendering across different browsers. So in HTML, the declaration is very simple. This is how you declare the doctype. So to ensure very smooth rendering and compatibility, we always use this HTML5 style doctype. Okay, like we declare it like this. So this also helps the browser determine the version of HTML that we are using and ensures a standardized interpretation. Well, and there are, as you know, that the doctype declaration is not case sensitive. You can write it like this, like this, like this, or even like this. Okay, so it might seem like a small detail, but understanding the implementation of it and implementing it correctly can save you from a lot of cross-browser compatibility headaches.